How to fix Windows 11 start menu pin limit gone. So for the first method, you want to go to search and type in settings. Click on it. Now once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to click on personalization. Now you want to scroll down and then click on start. You want to make the layout set to more pins. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to find Windows Explorer. You want to click on it and then click on restart. It's going to restart it. See if that works for you. For the last method, go to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it. Now once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to look under user configuration. You want to expand admin templates. Now you want to click on start menu and taskbar, and then this will appear on the right hand side. I'm going to set this by alphabetical order. I'm going to click on setting. Now you want to find prevent users from customizing their start. So scroll down until you find prevent users from customizing their start screen. Double click on this. You want to set this to not configured and then click on OK. After completing any of these methods, just restart your computer and then see if that works for you.